8 fruits. You can eat during keto diet. Many high-carb foods are considered off-limits on the keto diet, including certain types of grains, starchy vegetables, legumes, and fruits. However, you can eat some fruits that are low in carbs and high in fiber. Ketogenic or keto diet is a very low-carb, high-fat eating plan on which carb intake is often restricted to less than 20-50 grams per day. Here are 8 nutritious, tasty, and keto-friendly fruits. Number 1. Avocado. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of avocado contains around 1.5 grams of net carbs. They're also high in vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, and potassium. Number 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is relatively low in net carbs, containing 11 grams of net carbs in a 1 cup, 152-gram serving. It also contains several other nutrients and is a good source of the antioxidant lycopene. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are nutritious, delicious, and brimming with health benefits. Each cup, 152 grams of strawberries, provides 8.7 grams of net carbs. They also contain a host of antioxidants, as well as vitamin C, manganese, and folate. Number 4. Lemon. Lemons can be a great addition to a ketogenic diet, with 4 grams of net carbs in each fruit. They also contain pectin, a type of fiber associated to stabilize blood sugar levels, fight inflammation, and slow the growth of cancer cells. Number 5. Peaches. 1 cup, 154 grams, of peaches provides 12.2 grams of net carbs. This stone fruit also offers a wealth of other nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and niacin improve triglyceride and cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Number 6. Raspberries. A 1 cup, 123-gram, serving of raspberries contains only 7 grams of net carbs. These berries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, vitamin K, copper, and antioxidants that can decrease inflammation and reduce your risk of chronic disease. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes provide only 5 grams of net carbs per 1 cup, 180-gram serving. They also contain antioxidants like lycopene, beta-carotene, and naringenin that improve your heart health, prevent from certain cancer. Number 8. Cantaloupe. The high levels of antioxidants in raspberries might protect the sperm from oxidative damage. The vitamin C and magnesium in the fruit enhance male fertility and the production of testosterone, respectively.